This is the Iron Trader. The pitch just closed here about 10 minutes ago here at 2:30. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Just as a reminder, I'm going to be out of the office from Sunday till Wednesday. However, I still will be posting the crude and the natural gas for you. Just might be at different times. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, daily chart. Now, this will be the last of the week here, okay? So what we have here is we have to look at this key price channel sitting at 1733. And more importantly, right here is this 200 SMA here sitting at 77.21. Now, again, if it can get above that, then what we do is we start looking to the left of the chart. We look at this candle. So the next level will be 78.39, and then we come up here to 79.07, and then we have 79.18. Then we want to start looking at the bottom of this candle here. Okay, you'll have 79.91. Then we have 80.47. Then we come up here to the top of here. You got 81.24. And then we look to the bottom of this candle here. You got 81.76. Then we have 82.71, and then your big boy up there, retest, is 83.53. Always look to the left of your chart because where it's been is usually where it's going to be going again. Okay, so that is your upside. Now, here on the downside, what you want to do is you want to watch the top of this candle right here. Okay, so the top of this candle here is at 76.15. Okay, if that's lost, then we look at this 8 SMA here. This is going to be very, very crucial at 75.82. You can see where the candles are holding. Yeah, it came down, but you're still holding this overall. That's very, very key. Now, if that's lost, then we look to yesterday's low. You're looking at 74.52, and then we have the nice Hondo right here sitting at 73.68. And then we have 72.76, and then your 50 SMA here, 71.87. So you have really nice, good support here, and then you have your big time resistance. You need to close back above here, 77.21. Then we can look to the left here, and then she goes higher. Now remember here, OPEC is going to meet on August 4th. So usually how I trade it is I'm usually long into OPEC. I scalp it every day, but I'm also very long going into OPEC. You never know what they might do. They might have another cut. They need to get the prices up higher. So you have to be very careful on what they're going to come out with. All right, let's take a look here on the weekly and a monthly chart. All right, here we are on your monthly chart. Now, obviously, it's holding the key 66.56, your 50 SMA here. You're holding your key 72.81, your 200 SMA, and you're now above the 75.50. Your 8 SMA, very, very good. Okay, so let's just take a look here on your weekly chart. All right, you're holding it very, very good here. Your 21 SMA is holding up nice. That is going to be your support, 73.90. Your 8-day, 72.50. Very, very key levels there of support. Always watch them. Now, if it can break above that 200 SMA here on the daily, then here's your target right here. It's going to be 78.84. That's going to be very, very strong resistance. And again, if it can break up, here's your ultimate goal is our retest of 83.53, and then sitting right above it is 85.12, which lines up very nicely here with your 21 SMA on your monthly chart at 85.26. Okay, so we got to see how it all shakes out here. But remember, next week is going to be the end of the month. So you're going to see a lot of fluctuation and then a lot of fluctuation going into the OPEC meeting there on August 4th. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas right here on your hourly chart. All right, so what we had here is you had a low of 2.492. You had a retest of that at 2.48, and then boom. Always look for double bottoms. That's always a very good pattern. Take right back on up. Okay, so we had sideways action, went right up here. Now what do we have? Okay, you had a high of 2.78, and then you had the retest there coming in at, let's see, 2.786 versus 2.789. So you have a lower high, and then down you went. Okay, so what you want to do is on the upside, look at this 8 SMA. 2.72. Look at this 21 SMA, 2.74. And then again, you can do the retest there at 2.786. And then this will be the breakout at 2.789. Now here on your 4-hour chart, really nice run up. And then you had a nice series of lower highs, took the price right on down. Again, there's that double top right there. So you want to watch the 8 SMA going up at 2.74. And then on the bottom, you want to watch 2.67. That's your 21-day. And then we have your 100 right below that at 2.65. And then you have your 50 SMA sitting at 2.63. And then all the way down 2.58. So you got good support there on the bottom. You had a nice double top here, selling off. We got to see what's going to do next week. So let's take a look here on the daily. Okay, daily chart. Well, you know, you had 4 red candles, 3 green candles, and then today, basically an indecision candle. So what you want to do is you want to watch the key 21 SMA here, okay? Right there, sitting at 2.66. That is your support level, and then right underneath it is 2.62. That is your 8-day. If that's lost, she's going to go right to the 50 SMA, 2.48, and then we have your 100 sitting at 2.4. Okay, on the upside, you want to watch yesterday's candle, the top of the candle, which was 2.789. If you can get above that, then what we do is we just follow these candles here all the way on up here. Okay, so then we want to go to this candle right here. We're looking at 2.793. We're looking at 2.82. Your retest there is sitting at 2.87. If you can close above, here's the candle right here. That's what you want to look at. That's 3.027. That would be your target. Now, your price channel still very much intact. Your bottom price channel moving up. Very good. You're going to get a squeeze here, okay, very shortly. You can see how everything's getting tightened up. So eventually here you're going to get a squeeze. All your SMAs are getting tight. Your price channels are getting tight. So it's either going to squeeze up or squeeze down. Have no idea where it's going to go. That's why I'm just scalping it, okay? I do the BOIL, B-O-I-L for the long, sometimes UNG for the long, and then KOLD there for the short. So actually, it was a pretty good day here in BOIL. I scalped 3 points out of it today. So that isn't too bad. So overall, it's just still sideways action until we can get some kind of a catalyst, some kind of a breakout of this. All right, I will be back Sunday night. I don't know what time. Again, I'll be out of town from Sunday through Wednesday, but we will be doing natural gas and crude oil here every day. I just don't know what times it is, but I will not leave you hanging. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great week.